Namaste friends and welcome. Today's topic is a little sensitive but yet very important to our life, and that is how to deal with relationships. By relationships I mean it could be anything like a parent and a child, spouse, families, friends, professional relationship, business associate, anything. When there is some connect between two people, it is a one kind of relationship that is built. But we often face a lot of challenges in this. अलग अलग तरह के challenges हो सकते हैं. One small little challenge that we often face in relationships is of understanding each other. Let's see this picture to get more clarity on this. So as we know, the picture on the screen, we have seen this earlier. There is a number, it's either 9 or 6. But it will only depend कि आप इसे कहाँ से देख रहे हो, so that you can determine that it's a 9 number or a 6 number. जबकि दोनों ही अपनी जगह सही है. The people standing over there, they both are right with what they see. They are talking what they can see. This is what happens in a relationship sometimes when we do not understand other person's perception. Similarly, if we change our places here, if we switch our places, we'll come to know कि सामने वाले का perception गलत नहीं था. I was right, but other person is right too. This is something that we usually miss on जब हम सामने वाले के perception को समझने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं. इस केस में reality एक है, पर कभी कभी perception बहुत ज़्यादा गलत भी हो सकते हैं. Like in this example. This example, we again must have seen all. This was an experiment that was done on an elephant, जहाँ पे कुछ लोगों के आँखों पे पट्टी बांध दी गई थी और उनके सामने एक elephant ला के खड़ा कर दिया. Everybody touched a different part of animal and whatever they felt, they said it. अगर उस तरह से elephant की picture बनाई जाए तो कुछ इस तरह की picture दिखेगी elephant की. But this is way far from the reality. और ये भी कई बार होता है कि हमारा परसेप्शन रियलिटी से कम्प्लीटली अलग होता है, बट हम उसे बिलीव करके चलते हैं कि यही सही है और इस हिसाब से हम सामने वाले को जज भी करने लगते हैं. परसेप्शंस हम बनाते कैसे हैं? व्हाई इज इट दैट एवरीबडी वुड हैव अ डिफरेंट परसेप्शन ऑफ अ सेम सिचुएशन? परसेप्शन लार्जली डिपेंड ऑन आवर अपब्रिंगिंग, आवर सराउंडिंग्स, आवर बिलीफ सिस्टम्स and a lot on our experiences of life. For example, if I say एक city का नाम रखते हैं city A, ठीक है, मैं city A में पहली बार जाती हूँ लाइफ में और उस दिन वहाँ पे मेरा पर्स चोरी हो जाता है. I come back and I share with my friends that I had been to the city and they ask me कैसा रहा तेरा experience, and I tell them please वहाँ पे संभाल के जाना, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे चोर हैं. Why? Because I was being robbed there और मैंने perception बना दिया कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे चोर हैं. Similarly, if other person goes into the same city and has a very beautiful experience, वो आके हमें share करेंगे कि नहीं, it's a very beautiful city, you all should visit there. This is what happens. The reality sometimes is different from your perception, and relationship makes very important to understand what is other person's perception on this. Because अगर हमने ये समझने की कोशिश नहीं की तो हम उस this is how misunderstanding develop होती है लाइफ में कि हम उस perception पे पूरी लाइफ हमारी निकाल देते हैं and we don't try to understand the opposite person. Now that we understand about perception, how do we deal with it? तो दो बहुत सिंपल तरीके हैं डील करने के. एक तो है कि let's step into other person's shoes. दूसरे के शूज़ में जाके देखते हैं, दूसरे की लाइफ में जाके थोड़ी देर के लिए स्विच करके, रोल्स को स्विच करके देखते हैं that if I was there at that person's place, how would I behave? या मेरा क्या रिएक्शन हो सकता था? This is very simple and effective method to actually deal in relationships. There is one more, which is once you understand that there is a perception difference, speak up. Communication से सबसे ज़्यादा gaps heal हुए हैं. This is a proven record. जब हम communicate नहीं करते हैं is when misunderstandings develop. So it's always okay to speak up, to discuss, to share, to fight, to laugh out, and end of the day, heal it out. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy.